Hey guys, what's going on? It's Vanessa Yvonne and you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're coming by or maybe dropping by, do well to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you get to see videos like this anytime I post them. In today's video, I'm actually going to be talking about some reasons why you keep having dark knuckles. Dark knuckles. You're like, all your knuckles are like black, you know, like so black. So I'm just going to be talking about a few reasons why you're having that, and then I'm just going to give you like a tip on how to prevent that from happening. So firstly, you need to consider that there is a causative factor, okay, for every single thing. You need to know why it is happening. Why exactly is it that you're having dark knuckles? You need to know why before you even start to treat it up. Because if you just start to treat it up like that without knowing the reason why, it will definitely come back like again. So you need to always know the reason why it is happening or why you have it in the first place. Number one reason why you may be having severe hyperpigmentation on that particular area is because, number one, it is a joint area. Okay, so people of color have this abundance of melanin in them, and there's some areas on your skin, all right, that have them in abundance, and those areas are your joint areas. Every joint area, your knuckle here is a joint area. Okay, you see, you have that area, you have that possibility of flexing it and seeing joints. So your elbows, your knees, your ankles, and your toes, okay, you are likely to definitely have a darker part. Okay, it has to look a little bit or slightly dark. All right, very difficult for products to penetrate into that pattern. That may be one reason why it is very dark, or that is why it is dark. So it normally has to look slightly dark, especially if you have that abundance of melanin. Melanin as a whole is very important for your skin, especially because it is a way to protect harmful rays, penetrating into your skin and then causing damage. You need to understand that your melanin is your sunscreen. So that's another thing that you actually do need to know. And lack of moisture. So because it's a joint area, if you don't moisturize that particular place very well, your skin tends to get dry. And when it happens, or when that actually happens, dead skin cells would be formed over there. So you tend to have a darker skin when it is just filled with dead skin cells. And that is why many people who have not really exfoliated their skin, they end up having, very dull or dark or tanned looking skin, because they haven't exfoliated their skin really well. So you need to make sure that after exfoliation, you are moisturizing your skin enough for discrimination to occur. Okay, so that is the act of supplying moisture into your skin, softening the skin or the dead skin cells. There's some of them that are really, really hard and tough to get rid of. So you need to make sure it is soft enough to slough off your skin. So that's another one. That's the second one. That may be a second reason why you are having dark knuckles. And then the third one is using whitening or skin whitening products that they don't really have anti-inflammatories in them. So if your skin is actually inflamed and you don't do something about it, like in no time, you are likely to leave a burn, or it's likely to leave a burn over there. So you need products that have anti-inflammatory in them, okay, so that they don't react on your skin, they don't burn your skin, the sun does not go into your skin and then cause damage. Okay, so you need all that. So products like, or materials like your aloe vera, your alpha bisabolol, these are very, very good anti-inflammatory products. Your allantoin, they're very good with that. They help to soothe the skin really well. Make sure you're using products just like that. And then the next one is the lack of sunscreen. You don't use sunscreen whenever you are using products. You use products that would contain acids, AHAs mainly, And you know how those materials or those ingredients are really, really sensitized into the skin because they attract the sun from heating your skin. And then when the sun does that, you get harmful rays that will darken up your skin and all. So you may be using acids that would actually peel off that particular part that is dark. And if you don't protect it with a sunscreen to prevent sun or to prevent harmful rays from heating it, then you definitely would have actually leave a burn. It will definitely leave a burn because it is inflamed. So the next one is the duration. If you've been using a whitening product for a very, very long time, right now, you are likely to start looking lighter. Okay, other parts of your body will start to look lighter than your joint areas. This is the exact reason why you have to be very careful when you're using skin whitening materials or skin whitening products. You don't want to continue using them for a very long period of time. You have to give it time sometimes so that just give it gap. You can use your skin whitening products this night and then maybe after 2 days you use it again. But make sure you are moisturizing your skin. Make sure you are using a skin lightening or skin whitening product that contains lots of anti-inflammatories. And then make sure you're going to be using something to protect your skin, you know, something that is really, really going to moisturize your skin. Maybe like an occlusive, maybe say a body butter. This is really going to help rejuvenate the skin. Make sure that it speeds up the discoloration process of your skin. So that's another thing you actually need to know. Now you know, maybe I think I mentioned a few causes of why you have dark knuckles or why you're having that. If you know you fall into any of the categories or any of what I just said, you've been doing all that, or you notice that something like this is what you've been doing, then yeah, that's the reason why you have dark knuckles. You have to start protecting, you have to start moisturizing, and you have to stop using your skin whitening actives almost every day. Okay, so I would just suggest that you use your skin whitening actives or skin whitening product on parts you want to treat. Say for example, if you're having dark knuckles right now, yeah, always use your skin whitening products on that part that you have a lot of hyperpigmentation there. So, and that's it for the video today, guys. I hope this actually helped. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about things or skin care actives or skin brightening actives that is really, really going to help with hyperpigmentation. But for now, it's a bye for me. Bye.